Tesla Dashcam is a built-in system that continuously records video from your car's cameras while driving. This feature is available on Tesla Model 3, S, X, Y, and Cybertruck. It's useful for insurance claims, dispute resolution, and personal records. The system enhances safety by capturing important moments. The system integrates seamlessly with Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving systems. As of late 2025, the Dashcam records in 1080p at 30 frames per second and can automatically tag events such as hard braking. Overall, Tesla Dashcam provides comprehensive recording capabilities to enhance your driving safety and provide valuable evidence when needed. To get started with Tesla Dashcam, you'll need a USB drive with at least 16 gigabits capacity and USB 3.0 or higher speed for optimal performance. The drive must be formatted in exFAT or FAT32 file system to ensure compatibility with Tesla's system. Insert the USB drive into one of the Tesla's USB ports located in the center console. On the Tesla touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Dashcam to access the settings. Enable the Dashcam feature. Note that while Dashcam is enabled by default on new Tesla vehicles, it requires a properly formatted USB drive to actually record footage. Tesla recommends formatting your USB drive regularly to maintain optimal performance and prevent issues with footage storage. Tesla's Dashcam offers customizable settings to fit your needs. You can select video resolution between 720p for efficient storage or 1080p for clearer footage. Enable loop recording to automatically overwrite old footage when your USB drive fills up, ensuring continuous recording without manual management. Configure event-triggered saving to automatically capture 30-second clips when the system detects incidents like sudden stops, collisions, or door openings. Try the Dashcam replay feature, currently in beta as of late 2025, which allows you to rewind and view live footage up to 10 minutes through the touchscreen. Besides automatic event recording, you can manually save clips. While viewing the live Dashcam feed on the touchscreen, tap the Save button to capture the last 10 minutes of footage. This is useful for recording interesting or unusual events you witness while driving. Remember that manual saves also store the clips to the USB drive. Key points to remember. Manual saves capture the last 10 minutes, tap the Save button on the touchscreen, and footage is stored on the USB drive. To review saved footage directly on your Tesla touchscreen, start by navigating to the Controls menu. This is the main hub for adjusting your vehicle's settings. From the Controls menu, select the Dashcam option. This will open the Dashcam settings, where you can manage recording and viewing options. Then, choose View Clips from the Dashcam menu. This will display a list of your recorded videos saved on the USB drive. In the View Clips section, you can browse through your MP4 videos, play them back with basic controls like play and pause, and export selected clips to the USB drive for external viewing or sharing. This built-in viewer is perfect for quick incident reviews right from your vehicle. For a more convenient viewing experience, you can access Dashcam footage through the Tesla mobile app. This requires a premium connectivity subscription, which costs $10 per month. To get started, connect to your vehicle through the mobile app on your smartphone. Once connected, navigate to the Dashcam tab within the app. From there, you can download clips wirelessly directly to your phone. This wireless access makes it easy to share footage with insurance companies or other parties when needed. You can also manage your footage by deleting clips to free up storage space on your vehicle. For more advanced management of your Tesla Dashcam footage, connect the USB drive to a computer. This allows you to organize the MP4 files, create backups, or use third-party applications for deeper analysis. Once connected, you can organize your MP4 files by date or event, create secure backups, or use specialized apps like Tesla Dashcam to analyze footage patterns and extract insights. Tesla strongly advises against modifying native files directly, as this can cause corruption and make footage unusable. Always work with copies rather than the original MP4 files. Consider enabling the Delete After Upload feature to automatically remove clips from your USB drive after they are successfully uploaded to the cloud. This helps manage storage space efficiently. Using high-speed USB drives ensures smooth recording without lag. Look for USB 3.0 or faster drives to handle the continuous data flow from Tesla's Dashcam system. Following these advanced management tips will help you maintain organized, accessible dashcam footage while preserving the integrity of your recordings. Tesla emphasizes that dashcam footage is encrypted on the USB drive and isn't accessed without user consent. For privacy, you can disable the dashcam in sensitive areas via geofencing in the app. Looking ahead, expect more AI-powered features such as real-time hazard warnings and integration with insurance providers for automated claims. By 2027, Tesla anticipates full cloud integration, eliminating the need for USB drives. Keep an eye on future software updates for enhanced dashcam capabilities.